In this video, we're talking about the Roger Foundation token, legit or scam. Before taking any action, my friends, do your own research, do your own personal research, and let's get started. This is a decentralized AI, public good, supported first AI layer 1, designed to transparency and verifiability and scale. And then, guys, this is collab with popular platform and company like Chainlink, Avalanche, and Jump, and Microsoft. This is great company. It's popular campaigns on Microsoft and Amazon and other platforms. This is ecosystem scaling faster any AI blockchain with up to 400 million of transaction. Huge member, guys. You can see here. This is a website. Looks like professional and clean. Decentralized high storage for training proofs and metadata. The price of this token is $3 with all-time high almost $6 of this token. This token listed on best platform exchange and popular exchange platform like Binance, like PancakeSwap, like Bybit, Upbit, Bitkit, and Gate.io, and other exchange platform. The total supply, if you can see here, 1 billion, a huge member here. And if I check bullish is 70%, bearish is 13% with 3.1k member votes. I see people giving analyze of this token here. Some people share analyze here. You can see it, check here. This is some charts here. I see people stand. This is bullish here. People are engaging as well on this community, guys. This is great indicator to see this on engaging here. Anyway, guys, I check some scan here, transaction or something like this. I see huge transaction here with a lot of transaction. Last 7 days or 10 days here, transaction here, block time, everything you can see here. Anyway, guys, you can see here a lot of transaction here. I give this token 7.5 on 10, and this is not financial advice.